we are going to learn about how to buy a domain and a hosting from Hostinger. So for that, what we will do is first we will go to my page in GitHub. This is my page karankhadekar.github.io. You can click on this and then you see a bio page button over here. Click on this bio page button and you will be redirected to my bio page. Okay, here what you have to do is you can go with a premium web hosting. With this plan you can get the premium web hosting for 100 website, 2500 monthly visitors, 100 GB NVMe storage. That is what you can get here. So what is happening here, this is my affiliate link. So if you go directly and try to buy the premium hosting on Hostinger, the pricing will be different for you. But if you go with this, you will get additional 20% discount, and also I will earn something from it so that I can maintain the server which I am using for the tutorials purpose. So for that, what you can do is you can just click on buy web hosting here. And once you click on buy web hosting, it will directly take you to the cart. If you are logged in, please log into Hostinger and then you can click on that button. You have multiple options here: 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. So if you click on 12 months, you can see you have 63% discount, which is given by Hostinger itself. And then you have a referral discount of 20% extra, which is coming around 525 rupees if you're in India. If you're not in India but outside India, still this link will work for you. So go with the referral, so you will get additional discount, and also I will also earn something from that. That money will directly go to maintain the server which I have purchased only for the tutorial purpose. So the money which I am getting from the referrals, that money will be used to maintain the server, and we can learn more and more coming forward in the future. Next up, what you can do is just click on continue, and then it will take you to the payment page. And once you are there in the payment page, just fill out the detail, continue with the payment process, and then you are good to go. Once the payment is done, you will be taken to this page. Your payment's done. Let's proceed. And you have to click on get started. And there you go. This is for myself or my business. It is not for someone else. Then create a website, migrate. I hired someone to help me. No, I will click on create a website. Then the next step will be, how do you want to build your website? This is WordPress or hosting or website builder. This is WordPress, different game altogether, and this is hosting or website builder. For now, we will go with empty PHP and HTML website. So you have one free domain available. Start typing to use. So this is what we will get if we are in premium plan. Let's go with ziarastore.in. Let's select this domain and click next. Once you click next, you're done. Now you can't go back. This is the final information which is coming in front of you. You can make some changes. This is my old address. uh, I will add the new address, which I am hiding it for now because I don't want to display my address here. Okay, click on register. I understand all the changes are done. I'll close this, and finishing your domain registration process is what coming on my screen as of now. So once we are done with this, where is your targeted audience? For now, I will keep on India. You have this many countries. Why these locations are coming, or why these countries are coming? Because Hostinger have their servers in those many countries. So I'll click on India. You click your country or whichever country is near to your country, neighbor country or something like that is also fine. Once you click on the country which you wanted, then simply click on next, and then it will initializing steps, and there you go. Slowly you're going towards the final process of owning your own server and a domain name. And there you go. Your domain is connecting. Your site will be accessible when the process finish. This might take up to 1 hour. Sometime it takes 1 hour, sometime it takes less than 1 hour. After some time, you will get this message that verify your email, complete the domain registration to keep your website online. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to go to your email, which is registered to Hostinger. So this is a email which is from Hostinger. which says confirm email for your domain, that is ziarastore.in, and I just have to click on verify email. So once I click on verify email, it says your email address has been verified. Now, if you come back here and click on refresh, now you can see your domain is live. Now, if you refresh your domain page, that is ziarastore.in, you will see something coming in front of you. Right now, we don't have anything live on our server. That is why this Hostinger page is coming. Once we upload our website will be loading here. So to load the website, let's upload something on the server in the next video.